Hello, welcome to GreenTechDB. Our main object is to provide a centralized platform to record, manage, and analyze emission data over time, improve transparency, and help organizations identify major emission sources to plan reduction strategies. GreenTechDB focuses on three key features. First, data collection. Staff can capture activity data through structures from interest of scattered files. Second, emission calculation. The system uses configurable emission factor to automatically compute CO2 equivalents. Third, dashboards and reporting. Emission can be visualized by period source or department to support compliance and decision making. At the data level, I use store procedure and trigger to keep data logic consistent. The add emission produce by the user look up the largest emission factor, calculate CO2, and insert into the emission table in one step. A set of trigger update the update at timestamp and y entire and audit log table. Whenever records are inserted, update or delete, giving us a clear change history. The front end is built with React and TypeScript. It's called a PHP backend API. For logging and emission management, the backend uses MySQL with table for user emission factors, emission pending, limitations, and audit log, plus the procedure and trigger I mentioned. For the security, passwords are stored as hash value, not plain text, and access to protect those is controlled by token. All database access use prepaid statement to prevent SQL injection and upload are various server size together. This design choice make IntactDB a secure and realistic CO2 tagging system. This is the login page where user enter their email password to access the system. I'm gonna fill information here. After logging in, the dashboard show a summary of the user CO2 emission trend and pie chart by source. This page lists all submitted emission records. User can edit or delete entire directly from here. This page user can add a new emission entry by selecting the date, source, description, and amount. The system automatically calculates CO2. In the profile page, user can update their name, email, and passwords. This is the admin dashboard show the organization total emission and trend at glance. Admin can view, edit, and delete all emission records to maintain accurate data. Admin can add new emission data and the system automatically calculates CO2 using the store procedure. I'm going to fill the information here. You can upload the file here. So this is the template. And you can add any note here. You can download the template here. It's the Excel file. And you can upload the Excel file here. It shows the information before adding the new data. And after. And the information is filled here. And you can delete all the information here. Here. And you can edit the information here. Update here. Okay, the data change now. Yeah. So this is the admin can manage user account, assign role, and send invitation to onboard new user. It shows last login of the users, and you can. And it is a preventing invention. So I'm gonna fill the information here. So and it is the before and after sending the yes. So you can copy link and fill the information. This is the complete your registration page. And gonna fill the information here. Yes. Okay. And it show after. Yeah. Go to here. This is the audit log here. It show the action here.